Morning, sir.
Very good morning, dear students. Okay, we will start the class directly.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Right. So yesterday we finished here. So we now turn our attention to the operation of taking square roots of a real numbers. So square roots of real numbers. Recall, if a is a natural number, then square root of a is equal to b, means b square is, so if you square this term means root get cancel. So root a is equal to b, if you taken like this, square of this term will cancel the root of this. See here, a square is equal to a, root get cancelled, root get removed. Okay, b is greater than 0. The same definition can be extended for positive real numbers. These same will be extended for real numbers also. Positive real numbers, they are saying that positive real numbers. So if negative real numbers in the root means that are imaginary. Negative numbers on the in the root is imaginary one. Okay, let a is greater than 0 be a real number, then root a is equal to b, means b square is equal to a and b greater than 0. So we saw how to represent root n for any positive integer n on the number line. We now show how to find root x. So root x, any value in the root, we represent in the number line like this. For any given positive real number x, geometrically, for example, let us find it for x is equal to 3.5. So if you substitute x equal to 3.5 here, so in previous, here in the previous, okay, in previous examples we only studied about whole numbers in the root. So root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5, root 6, root 7 we can represent in the number line. But here we now studying about how to represent a decimal number, root of the decimal numbers on the number line. Now see here, mark the distance 3.5 units from a fixed point A on a given line to obtain a point B such that AB is equal to 3.5 units from B. Mark a distance of 1 unit and mark a new point as C. See here, so mark distance. See here, mark a distance from a fixed point A. Okay, now ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ p ಗೆ 0.5 ಯೂನಿಟ್. ಸೊ 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3.5 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, a to b. ಓಕೆ, ಆನ್ ದಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಟು obtain a point b. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ a ಇಂದ b ಗೆ 3.5 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್, such that AB is equal to 3.5 units. From B, mark a distance of 1 unit. So B ಇಂದ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3.5 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಗೆ ಸಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ, ಸಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಸ್ ಸಿ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಎ ಇಂದ ಸಿ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಆಸ್ ಓ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಹಾಫ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆರ್ಕ್ ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಹಾಫ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆರ್ಕ್ ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಆರ್ಕ್ ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ passes through the midpoint. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಓ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೈ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ರೊಟ್ರೆಕ್ಟರ್ compass draw a semicircle like this. Draw a semicircle like this. Okay, from the point B, that is end point of 3.5 centimeter what we have taken. So draw one line perpendicular to AC. AC ಗೆ perpendicular ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇದು perpendicular ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. AC ಗೆ perpendicular ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಳಿಬೇಕು. That is also by construction. See here, it is given here. Draw a semicircle with center O and radius OC. Draw a line perpendicular to AC passing through B and intersect the semicircle at D. So semicircle ಅನ್ನ D ನಲ್ಲಿ intersect ಮಾಡ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so this line AD is what? So this value. So from BD is what? 3.5. root of 3.5. ಇದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, 3.5 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಿ ಟು ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಸ್ 3.5, ರೂಟ್ 3.5. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂತೀರಿ ಬೈ ಕಂಪಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂತೀರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಶುಡ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ವಾಟ್? ರೂಟ್ 3.5. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 1 2 3 ಹಿಂಗತ್ತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅವಾಗ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಇದು ರೂಟ್ 3.5. ದಿಸ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 3.5. ದಿಸ್ ಬಿ ಡಿ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 3.5. Everyone learned this or not? These are the construction parts. Have you all understand how to construct any root? Okay, right. See here, if you take instead of 3.5, if you take any number, any positive number x, okay, after that you have to take 1 unit. After that you have to take 1 unit from A to C, extend it. Okay, ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎ ಇಂದ ಬಿ ಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸಿ is to be find, that is O here. So to find this O point we need to take more than half of AC and cut on both sides and join that line, means you will get the midpoint. Okay, by this midpoint draw one semicircle. After drawing one semicircle from point B, that is the end point of what positive number you have taken in the before. So end point of that number AB. Okay, so draw one perpendicular line which is perpendicular to AC and it intersect the semicircle at D. So that BD gives you a root of the number you needed to represent on the number line. Okay, okay, right. We'll move to remaining part of the exercise. See here. We now list some identities relating to square roots which are useful in various ways. You are already familiar with some of these from your earlier classes. The remaining one of follow from the distributive law of multiplication or addition of real numbers, and from the identity x plus y into bracket of x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. This is same as a plus b into bracket of a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So only variables are different here. We have taken in the identity as a plus b into bracket of a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here they have taken x plus y into bracket of x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. For any real numbers x and y, let a and b be positive real numbers. Then see, now we are rationalizing the values. So irrational numbers na rational numbers ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಈ ತರ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ರೂಟ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ರೂಟ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ರೂಟ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಈ ತರ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ ಎ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ರೂಟ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಬಿ into bracket of root a minus root b. See here, it is of the form a plus b into bracket of a minus b. We write this as root a whole square minus root b whole square, a square minus b square formula. See here, square and square root get cancelled, this becomes a. Square and square root get cancelled, this becomes b. In between there is a minus sign, keep as it is. So third identity, root a plus root b is given by root a plus b root b into root a minus root b is given by a minus b. Okay, right. So if you want to see one more pattern, root a, see here, a is don't having any root. Okay, into bracket of a minus root b is given by, see, a square minus root b whole square. So a square keep as it is minus square and square root get cancelled minus b. So in the same way, root a plus root b whole square, if it is like this, what will you do? So root a whole square plus root b whole square plus 2 into root a into root b, because it is of the form a plus b whole square. So here a, the square and square root get cancelled, square and square root get cancelled, it becomes a, it becomes b plus 2 root ab. Root a into root b, here root a into root b is root ab. Same way 2 into root ab. Okay, now we are moving to next, that is in the example above, the expansion should be written. We end this section by considering the following problem. Look at 1 by root 2. Can you tell where it shows up on the number line? So 1 divided by root 2 ಇದೆ, ಇದು ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರು ನಡೀತದ, ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ? ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ rational number divided by irrational number is a irrational ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. Okay, may be it is easier to handle if the denominator is a rational number. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ rationalize the denominator. ಇದನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನ rationalize ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ. That is to make the denominator into a rational number. To do so, we need the identities involving square roots. Let us see how. So denominator na rationalize ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so rationalize the denominator of 1 divided by root 2. Solution 1 by root 2. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು multiply by root 2 divide by root 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದೆನಾ? What happens after multiplying divide by root 2? Again they get cancelled, so remainder will remain same. 1 divided by root 2 remains same. So continue this. Root 2 into 1 is root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is root 4. That is root 2 divided by root 4 is what? 2. So here in the denominator we have rational number. We can represent this easily. Is it right? Say yes or no. Denominator get rationalized here. In the denominator there is no root number.
Yes, sir.
There is a rational number in the denominator. Okay, so now we can represent easily on the number line. Okay, in the same way, example number 18. Okay, rationalize the denominator of 1 divided by 2 plus root 3. Solution. See here, we know that a square minus b square formula, a plus b into bracket of a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. If in the denominator plus is there in between the two terms, we have to multiply minus in between the two terms to this. This becomes a square minus b square. There is no root. See here, we have solved here. See, both are roots, isn't it? So final number is not a root, a minus b. So that's why we are taking. So for this, rationalizing factor of this is this. Rationalizing factor of this is this one. So rationalizing factor of root a plus root b is root a minus root b. Rationalizing factor of root a minus root b is root a plus root b. So minus the term ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ plus ಇದನ್ನ multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, plus ಇದನ್ನ term ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ minus ಇದನ್ನ multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, vice versa. So for this, rationalizing factor of 2 plus root 3 is 2 plus root 3 ಇದು rationalizing factor ಯಾವ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ 2 minus root 3. 2 plus root 3 ಗೆ 2 minus root 3 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ rational ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ, let us consider 1 divided by 2 plus root 3. So multiply both numerator and denominator with the same rationalizing factor. Rationalizing factor ಯಾವುದು ನಮ್ದು? 2 minus root 3. So multiply both numerator and denominator by this 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು root 2 ನ ನಾವು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆವು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದು ನಂಬರ್ನು ಕೂಡ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ again if you simplify, we should get the same term in the beginning. ಸೊ 1 divided by 2 plus root 3 ನೇ ಬರೋ ರೀತಿಲಿ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 1 divided by 2 plus root 3 remains same if we cancel this. Okay, so 1 into 2 root 3, 2 minus root 3 is 2 minus root 3 divided by, so it is of the form a plus b into bracket of a minus b is a square minus b square, that is 2 square minus root 3 square, that is equal to 2 minus root 3 is equal to 2 square is 4 minus here root 2 and 2 get cancelled becomes 3. So 2 minus root 3 divided by 4 minus 3 is what? 1. That is 2 minus root 3 will remain. Okay, take the screenshot of these all as a note. Okay, from here we started, so take the screenshot of this. Okay, next take the screenshot of this. Okay. Okay, you can solve the exercise here. Exercise 1.5. In that, classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Whether it is a rational or irrational.
Irrational.
It is irrational because minus root 5 is an irrational and 2 is an rational. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of a rational and irrational number is always a irrational anta namak gottu. Okay, that is why it is an irrational number. Here it is rational or irrational?
Rational number, sir. No, sir.
Because root 23 and minus root 23 get cancelled, 3 remains. Okay, in the final. So it is a rational number. Here
Rational number.
so root 7 get cancelled, it is a rational number. Here
Irrational number.
very good. So here
Irrational number.
because pi is an irrational number into 2 is again irrational number. Okay, simplify each of the following expressions. So ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, a ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟು ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ. ಸೊ a ಇಂಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟು ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, so you can multiply a into c, a into d, okay, plus b into c, b into d. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೊ ಇವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, a plus b into bracket of a minus b ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ a plus b whole square ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. So again here a plus b into bracket of a minus b formula. Okay, like that you have to solve all the 5 mains of the exercise 1.5. Okay, right, we'll meet again in Friday class. Okay, take care, bye bye.
Sir.
Thank
Bye,
you,
sir.
sir.